I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're firing up the grill for a super simple yet incredibly delicious recipe that you're gonna love: mozzarella-stuffed mushrooms. And guess what? The star ingredients, that creamy mozzarella and flavorful Parmesan, are likely closer than you think. That's right, most of the fluid milk used to make delicious cheeses like these travel less than 300 miles to get to your table. So when we bite into these cheesy mushrooms, we're not just enjoying something tasty, we're supporting local dairy farmers. Now, let's just take a look at everything we'll need. Of course, we have about 12 large mushrooms. They are beautiful, and they're ready to be stuffed. And the key players: 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, when you're enjoying these fantastic dairy ingredients, it's good to know that 94% of the dairy farms in the U.S. are family owned. These are families who are deeply connected to their land. Since they live where they work, they have a real stake in enduring a sustainable environment, just like you and me. To round out our filling, we need 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 cloves of garlic, of course some olive oil, a teaspoon of dried basil, some sour cream, and of course salt and pepper to taste. All right, let's get our grill ready to that perfect medium heat around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the grill is warming up, let's get our filling ready. The cow's well-being is always a priority to dairy farmers, especially during these warmer months. They often deck out their barns with the cooling gear, like fans and even sprinklers, to make sure their cows are comfortable and living their best lives. Time to stuff these beauties. Well, fill each mushroom cap generously with our cheesy mixture. Remember, cows are treated like queens on many of these farms. In fact, 99% of the nation's milk comes from farms that provide exceptional cow care. It's all about keeping those happy cows producing that delicious milk. Place your stuffed mushrooms on some heavy-duty foil or in a grill, pan or grill. Now let these cook on the grill for about 15 minutes until the mushrooms are tender and the cheese is beautifully melted and golden. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know it takes a whopping 10 pounds of fluid milk to make just 1 pound of cheese? That really puts into perspective how much goodness goes into this cheesy filling. Look at that, golden, bubbly, and smelling divine. These mozzarella stuffed mushrooms are a fantastic way to celebrate National Dairy Month. They're perfect as an appetizer or a side. So the next time you enjoy some cheesy goodness, remember the journey it took to get into your plate and care that goes into producing it. Mangia bene. Brought to you by Henhouse Markets, Roth Living, and Undeniably Dairy.